Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I fix a part that's too wide on my closure wig. So in this part of the video, I'm just seeing which part I should put my parting. So I'm just here. I decided that I'm gonna do it in the middle. And the reason why I choose to fix my parting on the middle is because if I wanted to wear my wig on the side, I can just shift the wig over to the side, and if I want to wear it in the middle, I can wear it in the middle. So I'm just here trying to make a parting on the wig. I normally like to use like a cutting comb, which I do use, but I didn't insert that part in the video. So right now I'm just using a foaming mousse from Eye Candy Creations, and it's gonna help me to make the hair flat so I can see what I'm doing when it comes to parting the part on the wig. So right now I'm here, I'm just combing the foam all over the hair, and I'm distributing it all over the top. I'm getting the hair as flat as possible so that I can enunciate my parting afterward. So I'm just combing the mousse through the hair as well so that the whole entire wig can feel flat. And right now I'm here defining my part with the wide side of my comb, and using the wide side helps you get a neater parting. And as you guys can see, I'm not struggling as much to make a parting because what the foam did, it helped lay the hair on the wig flat. So I'm just there, I'm trying to perfect my parting, making sure all flyaways go down. So right now I'm just taking a tweezer and I am gonna pluck the parting just to make sure things look a little bit neater. And I know right now you guys can't really see the parting very well because of the angle of the camera, but in the end of the video you guys will see how the parting looks. So I'm just plucking away, because since the hair was laying down on a side part, there's a lot of hair that's just flying all over the place and the parting is not neat. So the plucking of the hair helps me to define a line. So right now I'm just combing out the hair that I was plucking and just flattening the hair on top of the wig. I'm combing the front of the hair backwards so I can see what I'm working with, and I just put the foam right there so I can make their very flat, because once I put the iron over there, it will help the wig stay flat with no bumps or anything. And I'm doing it on the other side as well. And I'm not putting no baby hairs in the wig, I'm just combing everything back so that everything is flat. And I'm making sure that the back lays flat as well. You don't want any hump or any bump. So once I got everything flat, I'm just gonna go in with a wax stick, also from Eye Candy Creations, and I'm just putting it on top so that the hair lays even more flatter. Guys, you want to make sure that the hair is flat because you're changing your part. Because if you don't do these steps, the previous part that you had, it will flip back onto that side. So right now I'm just taking some heat protectant and I'm just spraying it all over the wig because I'm gonna run my flat iron over the wig and on top of the hair, as well as the heat protectant. It also defrizzes the hair as well. So right now I'm not actually gonna flat iron the whole entire hair. I'm just flat ironing the top of the wig. And you could also use a hot comb with this, but I just did not have my hot comb at the moment. So right now I'm just rubbing the top of the wig with my flat iron, because the flat iron is very hot, so it works on flattening out the top of the hair. And I'm doing it at the back as well. Guys, make sure that you do it at the back, because as I said before, you don't want any humps or any lumps. Also, the heat helps to keep the parting where it's at. You want to make sure everything is flat and everything is secured. That's how the parting looks. So you guys can see right now I'm here just trying to define it even more. It's not gonna be the best of parting, because this wig it's been used many and countless times, and you know, when you use a wig, when you wear a wig often and you comb it, it starts to bald, but it looks way better than before. And that's the part where I covered. So as you guys can see, it doesn't look like there was a parting there. So guys, this is how you want your parting to look. Everything is nice. This is the wig. So cute, so flat, so neat. Yes guys, make sure you like this video, thumbs up, make sure you comment down below, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.